Hello everyone, John here, and in today's video I'll demonstrate to you how you can take a screenshot in Windows 10. Now earlier, the most common tool used to take screenshots in Windows 10 was and is still the snipping tool. However, Microsoft are working to improve this tool in future updates. And as we talk, the snipping tool is moving to a new home screen with improved features. Having said that, therefore, this video will show you how you can take a screenshot using the old snipping tool and the new updated snipping tool dubbed the Snipping Sketch. That out of the way, let's do this.
It's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
And now, to take a screenshot in Windows 10 using the old snipping tool, you'll need to open the tool itself. In my case, I already have the tool open. Before you take any screenshot, it's good that you first of all check out the snipping mode. You can access the snipping mode by going to this option here and then clicking the drop down. You're just going to see the various snipping modes available, varying from freeform snip all through to full screen snip. The freeform snip will allow you to freely draw around the screen that you want to take a screenshot of. The rectangular will help you to take a rectangular part of the screen that you want to screenshot. The window snip will take the whole open window, whereas the full screen snip will take a screenshot of the whole open window. By default, rectangular snip will be chosen by default, in which case you're just going to draw a rectangular shape around the part of the screen that you want to screenshot. In my case, I'm going to go with the rectangular snip. As you can see, it is selected here, so pick your option. Then after that, you need to go to the new. But before we go to the new, in which case we'll be taking the screenshot, I may also want to check the delay. In this case, you want to tell the program for how long it should delay to take the screenshot. So in my case, and by default, it will be no delay, but you can choose from 1 second to 5 seconds. Let me go with 1 second so that we can see what usually happens. So upon picking the mode and the delay, you can now come and hit the new. So it will take the screenshot with the specific options that you selected in both mode and delay. So I'm just going to come and screenshot part of my desktop wallpaper, just like that. So as you can see, it is drawing a rectangular shape around the screen that I want to screenshot. So when I release, the snipping tool will be open with my sketch. Now from here, I can be able to come and write over this using these various tools that I have here. So I can come and pick a pen, and I can also pick the different colors. I can also come and pick the highlighter. I can erase, or I can even edit the photo in Paint 3D. Now after you're done, what you now want to do is to save your screenshot. So to do this, you're going to see this save snip save a shortcut button here. So you can simply click on that. Or else you can also head on to the file and then save as. So in this case, you will be able to save as your screenshot. So just go and save that wherever you want. So in my case, I'll just come and save it in pictures, and I'll come and call it shot 1. Then I can just come and save it. So just like that, you have taken a screenshot of whichever part of the screen that you wanted, and you have saved it, and now you can use that screenshot as an image anywhere. It is now easier than ever to take a screenshot in Windows 10 thanks to the Snipping Sketch. Now to take a screenshot in Windows 10, all you need to do is to press the Windows logo key plus Shift plus S. that will open the Snipping Sketch. You can choose from the various snipping modes from on top here. This varies from the rectangular snip all through to the full screen snip. In my case, I'm going to go with the rectangular snip. That will allow me to draw a rectangular shape around the part of the screen that I want to screenshot. So upon doing that, I'll release the mouse. I need to save my screenshot, so Microsoft will notify me of the new screenshot that I have taken via the notification center. So I'm waiting for that. And that is it. You're going to notice the screenshot appear here, and I can just come and click this to open the Snipping Sketch. That will allow me to save my screenshot. So just come and click that and wait for the Snipping Sketch program to open. Now this is the new home for the snipping tool, but they are now calling it the Snipping Sketch. As you can notice, they've just modernized the look. So from here you can be able to draw on top of your image. You can also be able to erase. You can also be able to use a ruler. You can also be able to pick the protractor. You see? Yes, and most importantly, you can also be able to crop your screenshot. Now, upon doing that, you now want to save your screenshot. So all you need to do is to look for this save as command, or simply press Ctrl+S on your keyboard. So just click on that, choose your save location as well as the file name. So I'll just come and call it annotation 2020. Then click on save. And just like that, you've taken a screenshot and saved it in your computer. Now, another way that you can also use to take a screenshot in Windows 10 is by pressing the print screen button on your keyboard. Say for instance, I want to take a screenshot of this open window. All I need to do is to press the print screen button all I need to do is to press the print screen button on the keyboard just once, and then you now need to come and paste the screenshot. So just come and right click and then I click paste, and now what you'll notice is that a screenshot of the current open window will be pasted here. You can just come and right click and save it as an image if you are in Microsoft Word. And that's how you can be able to take a screenshot in Windows 10. Hope the video was helpful. Kindly like and share this video so we can share this knowledge with the world. Subscribe to this channel, hit that notification bell so that you're notified of future videos. Thanks for watching, and as usual, see you in the next one.